Hello, my name is Tony Liu and I'm the founder of Focus Law. Today, we are going to talk about the importance of corporate maintenance. Now, starting a business is very daunting sometimes, and maintaining your business can be equally complex and daunting as well. However, it's important to do it once a year because it will help you to maintain the separation between the corporate, your company, and you, your assets. Okay, and that's the reason that most people set up the corporation at the first place. Now, let's start with the question, what is corporate maintenance? Now, the corporate maintenance is a process of ensuring a corporation has all the appropriate meetings documented, and the notices of shareholder meetings and board of director meetings all follow state regulation, and that's all. And all the corporate records are maintained properly. Okay, so why do maintaining the corporate records and maintenance are important? Well, like I said before, failure to properly maintaining corporate records and hold regularly meeting for the material decisions of the corporation could result for the court, the IRS, or the state government to rule that you and your corporation are just essentially the same. Now, this type of finding can be legally and financially devastating for shareholders or the board of directors of the company. Companies that do not follow a good corporate maintenance practice risk, number one, having the corporation being dissolved. Creditor will pierce the corporate veil, and that's the important one. The corporate veil being pierced during the litigation, and variety of IRS issues, and not being able to getting the finance that you need to expand and scale your company sometimes. Because there are so many different things to keep track of, attorneys often help with corporate maintenance issues. They are responsible for reminding the corporate board of directors, the officers, shareholders, the owners of the company, the meetings that they need to occur for all the material decisions. They also help complete and submit report to the state if necessary, and attorneys can also help to write up the corporate minutes for the shareholder meetings and to keep the records in the event that you need to present them to other shareholders or other regulatory agencies. Having an attorney oversee your corporate maintenance ensures that you stay in compliance and apply things like piercing the corporate veil or having IRS finding shareholder personally liable for corporate taxes and obligations. If you operate your business in Southern California and need help for your corporate maintenance, especially at the end of 2022, make sure you give us a call. We are a premier business litigation firm focusing on the corporate shareholder partnership issues. Call us at 714-415-2007 or send us an email. You'll be glad that you did.